How to make Google Chrome your default browser on Samsung phone. Samsung tries to keep you using their browser. Samsung has worked much on bringing you a browser that is fast and easy to use. But what if you want to use the Google Chrome browser? You can do that very quickly. To change the default browser, open the settings. Tap on the search icon from the top. Write here default. You will see an option called Default Apps. Tap on that. If you do not find the exact option, try to find something like Apps or Application, as this might be different depending on the version of the Android phone. Tap on the browser app. How you can see, my default browser app is Samsung Internet. Select Chrome. Tap on the back arrow. Now your browser has changed to Chrome on your Samsung phone. You are now using Google Chrome as a default browser. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.